Moonshot app review. Is it a legit or scam exchange? In today's video, we're going to review the Moonshot app to help you decide if it's a legit exchange or a potential scam. So Moonshot is a cryptocurrency exchange that claims to offer a simple and secure way to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. But is it really as safe as they say? Let's dive in. The Moonshot app offers a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. It allows you to buy, sell, and manage your crypto portfolio all in one place. The app is available on both Android and iOS, and the setup process is fairly straightforward. For security features, one of the most important aspects of an exchange is security. Moonshot promises to provide a secure trading environment with features like two-factor authentication and cold storage for users' funds. However, there is limited information available about the app's specific security protocols, so it's important to proceed with caution. The app claims to have competitive trading fees, but there isn't much transparency when it comes to exact fee structures. Some users have reported high transaction fees for certain coin transfers, so be sure to check the fine print before trading. Customer support on the Moonshot app seems to be a mixed bag. Some users have reported quick responses to their issues, while others have faced long wait times or no response at all. It's always important to have reliable customer support, especially when dealing with finances. While there is no clear evidence to suggest that the Moonshot app is scam, there are a few red flags that raise questions: limited information, lack of transparency regarding fees, and mixed user reviews, making it difficult to give the app a clean bill for health. If you're considering using it, proceed with caution, please. The Moonshot app is still relatively new and it might improve over time from the date we made this video, but for now, I'd recommend exploring other well-established exchanges. Thanks for watching.